20 natural things with sentence. Mountain. The mountain is covered with snow. The mountain is covered with snow. River. The river flows very gently. The river flows very gently. Cloud. White clouds are floating in the sky. White clouds are floating in the sky. Rain. The rain is falling on the roof. The rain is falling on the roof. Wind. The wind is blowing very fast. The wind is blowing very fast. Stone. The boy threw a stone in the water. The boy threw a stone in the water. Leaf. The green leaf is soft and fresh. The green leaf is soft and fresh. Soil. The soil is wet after the rain. The soil is wet after the rain. Fire. Fire gives us heat and light. Fire gives us heat and light. Sky. The sky looks blue in the day. The sky looks blue in the day. Star. The stars shine brightly at night. The stars shine brightly at night. Sunlight. Sunlight comes through the window. Sunlight comes through the window. Shadow. My shadow follows me everywhere. My shadow follows me everywhere. Snow. We play with snow in winter. We play with snow in winter. Sand. We made a castle with sand. We made a castle with sand. Ocean. The ocean is very deep and wide. The ocean is very deep and wide. Hill. We climbed up the small hill. We climbed up the small hill. rock. He is sitting on a big rock. He is sitting on a big rock. Rainwater. The bucket is full of rainwater. The bucket is full of rainwater. Sunrise. The sunrise looks beautiful every morning. The sunrise looks beautiful every morning.
Thanks for watching.